Hello, my name is Henrilc Moseid from Soft Lights in Paris. We are making different kind of smaller lights that is mostly used for to light up people, comedians, actors. So our specialty is to have a very high quality of white light, and we are using a specific LED light for this, which is what we call the ultra LED, which have a specific spectrum compared to most LEDs. These LEDs will give very, very nice skin tones, and that is because of the chromaticity of the LEDs. So we developed a little dimmer for these ones because those are constant voltage lamps, and we have a little dimmer where we can choose color, we can choose intensity, and also we have presets which makes it possible for them to just change from one color to another almost instantly. This is the one, and this is the one, sorry. Up. So it ranges from 2700 degrees Kelvin up to about 6000, which is mostly compatible with all kind of lights, almost even down to candle lights. These are small products new from this year. We also have other small products also, which is a very nice Fresnel lens LED, always using the ultra quality of the LEDs. Of course, they are flicker free. They are running on a frequency of about 100 kilohertz. And we have developed our little dimmer for this. These are a 5 watt Fresnel lamp. As an accessory, we have an Italian-made magnet from Calamite to put on filters, to make effects, to make it softer. And what is nice is that we can use this directly from the designer's edition of Leaf filter or whatever. Also, these what we call monotubes. We make longer ones of these, which we put in bigger frames, which are very lightweight and contains a certain quantity of these. If you would like to see inside of these, we call Juliette. It's a very simple construction, lightweight metal, lightweight aluminium, and we have 13 of these bicolor ultra LEDs. The light is not as strong as other ones, but the quality of color is much, much, much better. That quality also makes it very easy for them to be mixed with other sources, like natural daylight or with like tungsten light or halogen lights, without any color shift. So this is most of what we are doing. We also have some small accessories to make it easy to put them up, just like with a thing like this, to make it stay where it wants. Up. And of course, the weight of this is like 100 grams, and these big things are just a little bit over 5 kilos. So it's lightweight, so it's light. And it's soft too. The customers, it depends on what kind of the domain. But these are mostly interesting for drama use, for fiction with us actors. We do not use a lot of different kind of colors. The feedback of those using these is that these kind of products, which is so easy, they are very easy to use, lightweight, and they'll be using very often, even for a key light, a quick key light. They are very nice. Also now they are, of course, running also on battery, which is good. No, we have a very positive feedback from the use of these kind of lights. Also, they can function as they function also as a kind of a light that is put into the very last moment. They can be like very close to a frame. I will put it over your camera, for instance, to have something like this. Maybe I should increase a little bit the power. Up, I go down, much down. We have different kind of colors. And it's very soft, even if it's very small. So make it possible to use in very tiny places too. And it can also make some nice flares if you'd like. So we have been doing fluorescent light for like more than 15 years, and we started to do LED lights in 2016, like only 2 years ago, and that was because we found a quality of a LED that was better than the fluorescent lights. So we have now slowly but surely taken the step into the LED light. Yes, we have an internet site which is called softlights.com, and we have some, not all of our products, but we have most of our products for sale directly on the internet site. And we ship, of course, now as the LED is mostly on 12 or 24 volts. We do not have the problem we had before about 110 volts, 220 volts. So now we can ship to everyone, which is much easier, yes. Prices are quite, so to say, modest. Like a quality of a lamp like this, a Fresnel lamp like this, we sell it for 120 euros. The dimmer box, which is for 2 lights, will be at 170 euros. And so this, we can have 2 daylights or 2 tungsten lights or whatever we can shift depending on what you're using. The dimmer we have is also at 170 euros, and the mono tubes are at 160. These one are made in different kind of lengths. Standard length will be 60 centimeter and 1 meter, but we also do smaller things for specific use. We also sell the quality, these kind of LEDs that we are using. We also sell them in reels so that people can make their own specific lengths. And then we, of course, provide all the small kind of clever things that we make to make it as we do it ourselves.